All right, so let's talk a little about Ringcentral in 2025. It's a popular cloud-based communication tool that combines voice, video, and messaging into one platform still. But there are other people, other companies that do the same for a very cheaper price. Why choose Ringcentral, you may wonder. Well, it is perfect for teams of any size and makes collaborating super easy with features like video calls, team chats, and file sharing. It also works well with other tools such as Salesforce, HubSpot, and Google Workspace, which is a big plus in today's market. Now, you may be wondering what the downside of RingCentral is. Well, it might be a little too complicated for smaller teams, and the pricing can get high if you need more features. When it comes to its position in the market, RingCentral remains a strong player still, but it faces tough competition from other cloud communication tools like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, which offer very similar features at a lower price. Despite that, RingCentral's comprehensive features and scalability keep it relevant for larger businesses. Overall, if you need a flexible and scalable tool for your business, RingCentral is still a solid choice. Just make sure it fits your budget and team needs.